are one and ready?
Yep, right.
Yalla, go.
Yep, let's. No, that didn't work. The folks at the Academy were nice enough to point me toward Al Jazirah Airport, where there's an Aero Club and maybe some microlight kind of thing going on. I'm going to go check that out. Worst case, it's a nice drive. If I make it before the sun goes down, it should be open and I might be able to go fly. It's worth trying. Hey, giving credit where credit is due. The roads here are very nice. Okay, there we go. Quite the speed bump. You know, for a country that loves supercars, this place is crazy about speed bumps. They're everywhere. With the roads being so smooth, out here in the desert, it's easy to start speeding. You just don't realize how fast you're going. First camel crossing sign, actual herd of goats. The signs are in both Arabic and English. That's helpful.
Exit right, then stay to the left E311 in direction of Al Sharjah.
Yeah, like the moment I stopped following the GPS directions and just started trying to explore, I got completely lost. Lots of construction, so yeah, don't do that. From the realm of things I haven't done since I was a kid, stopping for gas means someone else pumps it for you. It's full service. It's strange. Look, I don't want to get cocky, but the roundabouts have not killed me yet. Crawling along here in some traffic and reminded that I didn't bring any snacks on this trip. Really rookie mistake on my part. Should always bring snacks on road trips. Well, there's a sign. It says Aero Club, and it's got airplanes on it, so I must be in the right place. Well, I think this is the place. Let's go check it out. All right, Chuck.
Loud and sweet. Loud and sweet. Cool. Ground, India, radio check. Ah, good, good. So what's your name? I'm sorry, I forgot. Dennis?
It's Rod.
Rod. Rod Stewart. That was a singer. Good old days.
Yeah, right.
Like road again. Actually, nowadays, today, I'm the only guy around. This aircraft is its endurance is like in the book. It says 8 hours.
Right.
So with this tank, it will go at least like 2 hours.
Okay.
At least, you know.
I don't have to walk back to my car.
Yeah, line up takeoff. Okay, flaps are one and ready?
Yep, ready.
Yalla, go.
Yep, let's. No, that didn't work.
Only the west.